Hello friends, my name is Akash Uike. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the late video due to some health problem. Subscribe my YouTube channel to civil construction knowledge with the press bell icon. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Today we will see in this video the various types of construction tools which use in building construction at site work. So let's start the video without any delay. Number 1. Sand screen machine. The fine aggregate used in concrete should not contain impurities or coarse particles. The sand screen machine is used to screen the sand or fine aggregate before mixing it with concrete. This screen is also used for screening fine sand for plastering work. Number 2. Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer is used when the ground is hard and contains rock layers. A large weight metal head is provided at the wooden handle with which hard layers can be cracked, which makes easy for digging. Number 3. Putty knife. Putty knife is used to level the putty finishing and also used to reduce the thickness of finishing when it is more thick. Number 4. Polisher. Polisher is used to smoothen the surface of tiles, woodworks, etc. The smoothing makes them shine and process is called polishing. Number 5. Pickaxe is used to excavate the soil. It is more suitable for hard soil which is quite difficult to dig with shed or hoe. Number 6. Measuring wheel. Measuring wheel is used to measure the distances or lengths. It contains a wheel of known diameter which record the number of complete renovation from which the distance can be measured. It makes the work easier. Number 7. Boning rods. Boning rods are made up of wood and they are T-shaped. They are used to level the excavated trench throughout its length. Minimum 3 boning rods are used to level the trench surface. Number 8. Pump cutter. Pump cutter is used to level the concrete surfaces like concrete floors, foundation, etc. It is also called screed. Number 9. Chain Lewis and Pin Lewis. Chain Lewis and Pin Lewis are two different tools which are used to lift heavy stone, especially in the construction of stone masonry. Number 10. End frames. Their use is similar to the line and pins, but instead of pins, L-shaped frames are used at end of thread which hold the brickwork effectively and level the alignment accuracy. Number 11. Line and pins. Line and pins consist a thread whose ends are connected with two solid metals rod with pin points. It is used to level the alignment of brick course while bricklaying during brick masonry. Number 12. Jack plane. Jack plane is used in woodwork to smoothen the surface of doors and windows, etc. Number 13. Wedge. Wedge is a small hard metal blade which is used to cut the rock surface with the help of sledgehammer. Number 14. Tile cutter is used to cut the tiles. Sometimes normal tile size is larger than required at the corner where floor meets the wall. In that case, tile cutter is useful. Number 15. Shade. Shade is used to dig the soil for foundation trenches, etc. It contains metal plate at the end of long wooden handle. Number 16. Scratches. After done the plastering work, the scratches are done on the wall surface for tiling work to provide good bond between wall and tiles.
Number 17. Spirit level. Spirit level is made up of wood or hard plastic with bubble tube in the middle. The bubble tube is filled with alcohol partially, so the air bubble is formed in it. Spirit level is used in brick masonry to check the level of surface. The spirit level is placed on surface and bubble is checked. The surface is level when the bubble in the tube level settles at middle of tube. Number 18. Bolster. Bolster is like chisel but it is used to cut the bricks. Its cutting edge is wider than the width of brick. It is useful for accurate cutting of bricks. Number 19. Mason square. Mason square is used to achieve perfect right angle at the corner of masonry wall. It is L-shaped. First course is laid properly using Mason square. Then, based on the first, remaining layers of bricks are set out. Number 20. Measuring box. Measuring box is used to measure the quantity of sand and aggregate used for making concrete. It is fixed dimensions so aggregate need not to be weighted for every time. Generally, dimension of measuring box are 300 mm by 300 mm by 400 mm. Length, width, height. The volume of measuring box is generally 1 cubic feet, which makes it easy to measure concrete ratio or mortar ratio.